Bro, look at this shit. Oh my god.
The day we're in the daily?
I know, the day we're in a fucking daily, bro. Back there, and then look what we have up here, bro. Oh my god. That is crazy. It sounds nice. What kind of plates are those? You guys, as you guys saw from that clip, you guys know where we're going. If you guys saw Ron, I don't even know that was Lacey behind him until she told me. I'm here with my girlfriend. But yeah, we're here. What's on, you guys? Brazzy here, back with another video. You guys are all having a wonderful day as always. Sorry I haven't been able to upload more. Car scene is low-key dead. And then today there's nothing because it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. And yeah, I just wanted to come and get some content because the scene is still dead, and then it's gonna rain, I think like for like 3 days straight. So I'm over here trying my best to get some content. Gonna see what we see here today. All right, we made it. We're up here. Can anyone tell me what kind of car this is? Oh, it's a fucking Ferrari. I'm dumb. Everyone's surrounding this thing. Oh, really? We have a SLR here, though. Where's Manny Koshman? Don't let Manny Koshman see this. He'll want to buy it. He has like 8 of these things. Damn. Loki looks, dang, it looks outdated. Not gonna lie. He has 220 on the dash, though. Damn. Yep, red guts. I think that's the same Huracan we saw last week. But we have an Aventador here. Base event. No, it's Aventador S. I'm dumb. Damn. It has orange accents on the wheel, side skirts, side mirrors. Damn. Okay, SVJ hood. I mean bumper. Hood? Hey. Bro, I thought the only ZR1 I was gonna see here was the one that's always parked over there, the white one. Blacked out ZR1. This thing is well taken care of. I love the blue. We have a 296, 6 to the ZR1, a white STO. Looks like it has an upgraded exhaust. On some bronze wheels. Technica right here next to this STO. Sheesh. Old gen R8 right here. Of course, it has to be manual. We have another Technica right here. It's like satin black, matte. Dang, oh, he left it on. He had to tell everyone it's a Technica. Damn, this shit's nice. This is a base Aventador right here. LP 700-4 right here. I love the base Aventadors. Yeah, just a base LP 700-4. Carbon diffuser right here too on the vents. 1, 2, 3 Huracans here. It's real. I know, yeah, it's really cold here today. 750 with forge carbon green accents. Ooh. Look at that interior. Green calipers too. The front as well. Is that green or yellow?
Green.
Yeah, right? Okay, I'm not tripping. Damn. Just 3RS. White sock 3RS. Oh my god. We have another Huracan here, but this one actually has yellow accents. Look at the stitching on the interior. Yeah. Yellow stitch. Even on the steering wheel. Alcantara steering wheel. 296 here with kind of looks like mine interior a little bit. I like the burgundy. Damn. I wish my car had that. Every like Ferrari, like passenger, you get like a little display right there. Whether it's like your odometer or music, whatever. Damn. This is the ZR1 I was talking about. This is, yeah, this shit's always here, bro. He's a regular. This is the same 3RS I recorded last time, and they finally have them parked right here with the rest of the supercar lineup. Carbon here, the hood, side mirrors, the whole roof. I love how the 3RSs have that. And then of course, the wing is carbon. White sec package. I forgot this dude's at. I forgot I even followed him, but it's like eggplant something. HREs, purple, with yellow interior. Hey. I heard this Rari startup, and that's just on nice. Look at this G-Wagon right here, though. Baby blue. You guys know how I feel about baby blue. Matching the engine bay cover. This shit's freaking clean. It's like glittery. Is the camera picking it up? Damn. Even on the wheel, the Mercedes bed. With the red guts. Bro, this shit's nice. Dude, look at the color on this 600 LT. Oh my god, blue on orange accents. Whole carbon front. Dang. Side mirror too. The whole door. Oh shit. Whole Alcantara inside, bro.
It smells brand new.
Yeah, it still smells brand new. My god. I love the 600 LTs, man. Because of that. We have an SVJ here too. Black on blue, just like the ZR1. Even the interior. This is clean. Blue J. Super Veloce Joda. Why does he have webs? He doesn't use this shit. He does not use this thing at all. Okay, I'm stuck between that 600 LT and this 600 LT, bro.
You're stuck between them?
Yeah, I like the color on that one, that's why, but this one has red carbon, bro. What the kind of wheels? Ozzyllusionz? Red carbon right here on the pillar, the whole roof. Look at that huge roof scoop. Red carbon. Right here on the door. Carbon buckets. Oh my god. Bro. Carbon. Red carbon everywhere. Wherever this car looks red from, it's all red carbon. Oh my god. Those Ozzyllusionz are clean as hell too. Here are the two cars we were cruising with on the freeway. We have Lacy. I didn't even know it was him at first. Lacy's. And then we have Ron's. I heard Ron from like a mile away, bro. I didn't even know it was him. Look who's here. Finding Nicolas. Finding Nick. That carbon under the sun right now. Sheesh. BBS's. So, yeah, so he has freaking chrome on this side. And then, wait for it. Black on this side. Chrome BBS, black BBS's. Damn. Yeah. Damn. I love his already. Carbon front splitter, the hood, side skirts, side mirrors, right here by the vent. Yeah, huh? How do these two cats have their own mats, bro? Bro, what the? How did this go from a car show to a cat show? Bro, he's so trained. He has food for him.
Oh my goodness.
I'm very food motivated.
Shelby vibes.
This is back turned towards everyone. Here we have straight up driven Huracan with the Super Trofeo kit. As you guys can tell, it's not your ordinary Lamborghini Huracan. It's like fully built. You could even see the snails right there. Freaking Gary's. Custom exhaust too. Look at that. Another one right there. Freaking heat shield right there too. God, this thing is so clean. These are Rohana wheels. Yep. thing needs a wash bad though. Is this really a 620R?
Oh yeah, for sure. Probably like one now.
Hello? Oh my god. Look at these seats, dude. Oh my god. Carbon everywhere inside. Carbon roof scoop too. Bro, this shit is so nice. Holy. Look at that. Next to it, you have a STO, green STO. I like the wheels. You don't, huh?
Oh yeah.
You do? Damn. I really like the wheels.
Now you think I'm
Black on green?
negative.
What is this, the regular Huracan Evo? Yes, it is. Huracan with red guts. Look at that. Can you guys guess what this crowd is for? Can you guys guess? Look at that. You have Ron, Lacy, and Finding Nick, bro. Bro, look at this Aston Martin. That's just looking nice. I don't know my Aston Martins like that. It has a F1 badge on the side. Oh, that's just nice. Oh, hell no. F8 is out. SLR is out. McLaren SLR.
Out to keys.
Montana plates, of course. Huracan is out. Huracan. And ZR1 is out skis too. Damn, that whole lineup was chopping. For sure has a muffler delete. Bro, this freaking S sounds amazing. Oh my god. STO? I bet those are ads. Show me you guys taking. Dang. Bro, what the hell do we have over here? It's like the battle bus.
What map should we use?
Oh my god. Thank the bus driver.
Think the bus driver. Wow, stealing my joke is crazy.
Bro, this thing's supposed to be orange, not yellow. Am I missing something?
You gotta respect the vision.
Huge carbon wing on this Mark IV. This shit's clean. Iggy SMK4 Supra. Damn. Oh, they do? What the hell? You guys see the little toy version? Damn. 6'2"? You didn't tell me you were coming?
It's better than 6'2".
Oh, LS7? Damn. This is the 06.
No hate to 6'2".
I need those wheels. Damn.
Are those ones you have?
Yeah, but mine are all scratched.
Oh my god.
Bro, the other event store is leaving. Damn. RA2? Damn. Ferrari, California. Look, they're out. Lacy and Ron are out. Look at them. Bro, Ron's GT3 is freaking loud.
What the hell?
Boyer? Hey Chris, W, yeah, Chris's people, W marketing right here. Look at that. Bro, I'm here looking at Nick's car gun. Look at this freaking fitment, bro. Bro, you can't even fit like, I don't know, bro. I can't even talk. Dude, you can't even fit your finger in there. Tiny ass cab, bro. I forgot he has a twin turbo too. I forgot he just got a twin turbo. I think it's nice. Matching with the freaking brake calipers. Sheesh. Alright guys, the lot is pretty much cleared out. We have Nick right here bouncing too. We're gonna head out, spend Valentine's Day together. Gotta start gonna spend Valentine's Day together. It's barely the morning. See where the day takes us. Another San Clemente video. Oh my god. Alright guys, we're bouncing. We are downstairs again, heading to the car. We're gonna drive down PCH and just call it a day right there. I don't think I'm gonna record. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.